Welcome to Primrose Park in Grand Park Village, one of Summerlin's newest luxury communities by Richmond American Homes. This boutique community of just 76 upscale single-family homes blends thoughtful design with Summerlin's lifestyle of trails, parks, and easy-to-access everything Las Vegas has to offer. Today we're stepping inside the Teton model, which is a stunning two-story floor plan offering roughly 3,690 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage, which is going to give you a lot to work with. You're going to love the open great room, gourmet kitchen with the island and the walk-in pantry, a main floor bedroom suite, soaring 10-foot ceilings, and a spacious loft upstairs with a luxurious primary suite with the dual walk-in closets. Now let's talk about the monthly HOA, and that's going to be the $69 a month. We also have the sub association, which is also $119 a month, and then we have the SIDS, which is $17,000, and that is billed at $720 twice a year. And if you're looking to build one of these out, it's going to take about 5 to 6 months on that build time. And also the lot premiums here range from $30,000 up to $100,000 depending on which lot you select, if it has views or not. Now, if you're really interested in a new build and would love to see some homes, I highly recommend that you take an agent like myself with you, because the agents that work on site at these properties where these new homes are, they work for the builders and they represent the best interest of the builder. As a buyer's agent, it doesn't cost anything for me to represent you on a new home, and I represent your best interest. So please feel free to give me a call if you'd like to work with me. I'd be happy to walk you through the process and make sure you get the absolute best deal possible. And lastly, before I let you enjoy the rest of this tour with some nice music as you go through the home, I'd like to ask that if you haven't yet, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos come out like this, so that you can see what new homes are on the market. As always, I greatly appreciate your support. I hope that you find this tour helpful. And again, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about the real estate market, process of buying or selling a home, or you have just a general inquiry. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Enjoy this tour.
Yeah.